Hey guys, so today I didn't actually go to work because I've had the worst back pain. I was stretching the other night in bed and I stretched and I've actually twisted something on my kind of shoulder blade spine area on the right hand side. I've just had a hot bath and it's definitely eased the pain a little bit. I had it with Epsom salts. Epsom salts are good for kind of relaxing the muscles when you've had a hard workout, or obviously in this case when you've done, you have an injury. So yeah, I've just done that. My arm is feeling quite loose at the moment. I mean, for the last couple of days I could barely turn my head left and right, hence why I haven't really done much filming. But now it's feeling a bit better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some curls in my hair because, to be honest, it is a bit painful, but I need to keep it moving anyway, so that'll give my arm a little bit of a workout by, putting some curls in. I'm going to try and do it quite quickly because I don't think I can hack doing it for like, too long. But yes, I'm gonna put some curls in and then I'm gonna just chill tonight, have a rest because I have to go to work in the morning and I've got a busy next couple of days still to go. And my room is such a mess because I haven't had the energy to tidy it or anything, so I'm just been feeling a bit down actually. Because I just, when you've got an injury and you can't go to the gym and you can't do what you normally do, I'm a very active person, so it's been a bit difficult. But let's put some curls in my hair and I'm gonna watch one of my crime documentaries while I do it. That's it guys, so the curls are all in my hair. I used some wee finishing cream to just kind of smooth them out a little bit, and my hairspray that you saw me spraying when I was doing each section. And that's it, and by tomorrow they will have dropped out a little bit, so they'll be a little bit looser, which is how I like them. For every day, when I put curls in, I prefer them on day 2 and day 3 and even day 4, because by that time they're just a little bit more like just messy and dropped out, and they barely look like curls. It just brings a lot of volume and body to my hair. So yeah, I really do like curly hair. I'm looking forward to my hair getting longer and then I can wear it like this and very like mermaidy, and I do like that look. But I also like the street style, which you guys know I'm all about that street style, so I like putting the odd bandana in. I've got so many bandanas, I love them. I was on Instagram and I saw Madewell had some new ones in and I was like, damn, I need to go to the States to buy some of them because shipping is expensive to the UK. But this one is actually from Bershka or New Look or somewhere like that. It's like kind of vintage washed one, which I really like. So anyway, that's it. That's how I curl my hair, using just a standard curling wand. I prefer it to the clippy one because I feel like sometimes that can leave a kink in my hair. And that's how I do my curly hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and tell all your friends about Dressing Room Diaries. I'd love it if you would. Right guys, I'm ready to go, so I'm running out the door now. I'm really loving my outfit today. It's very business smart slash chic, maybe? I don't know. But I've got a meeting after work today, so I need to dress a little bit smarter but also warm because it's still a bit cold outside. Excuse me. And I'm loving this new train driver hat that I got in Topshop and the new Topshop earrings. I think they're very chic and very cool, so loving them. Cool, so I better head out the door. Mwah.